All right, let's talk. You're out there on the blacktop, mile after mile, hauling the goods that keep this country running. It's a tough, necessary job. Most folks have no idea what it really takes. They just see a big truck on the highway. But you and I know it's more complicated than that. Part of that complication is the Department of Transportation, the DOT. Then you see flashing lights in your mirror. Pull into a weigh station. Your heart does a little jump. It's inspection time, Doc. Before moving further, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. So you hear DOT inspection. And well, a lot of things might run through your mind. But not all inspections are created equal. There are actually 8 different levels, but you'll most likely encounter one of the first 3. The big one everyone talks about is the Level 1, the full North American standard inspection. Now, a Level 2 inspection is a little different. Its official name is the Walk-Around Driver Vehicle Inspection. Think of it as Level 1's slightly less invasive cousin. They'll check your paperwork and inspect everything that can be seen, touched, or measured. But they won't crawl under your truck. Lights, tires, wheels, windshield wipers, fuel tanks, exhaust, coupling devices, load securement, visible brakes. It's paired with a deep dive into driver qualifications and records. Paperwork matters here, because knowing it's a Level 2 tells you exactly what to expect. It's a test of daily diligence and attention to detail you should do every day. Before an officer even glances at your tires or your headlights, they're going to ask for your papers. This part of the inspection is the same for Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, and it's where a lot of drivers get tripped up. First, your commercial driver's license. Make sure it's the correct class, endorsements current and not expired. Next, your medical examiner's certificate, original or a legible copy, and check the expiration. Your record of duty status, paper logbook or ELD. They'll scrutinize the last 8 days for form and hours of service errors. Vehicle registration for tractor and trailers. VINs must match paperwork. Proof of the annual vehicle inspection. Usually a sticker on the vehicle and the report in your binder. If you're hauling cargo, have your bill of lading handy. And if it's hazmat, have endorsements and shipping papers within arm's reach. Make your cab an office. Organized binder in the glove box, carrier info, ELD manual, spare paper logs. All this paperwork is your key to a smooth inspection. Have it organized and easy to access. Have it in a folder or binder, and you'll make a great first impression. Once the paperwork is squared away, the walk-around portion begins. The officer usually starts at the front and works systematically around the rig. They'll check your headlights, high beams, low beams, turn signals, 4-way flashers. They'll look at your windshield for cracks or chips that obstruct your view. Edge-spreading cracks or starbursts are no-go. Down the driver's side, fuel tanks, no leaks, caps secure, exhaust for leaks, soot stains, and secure hangers. Mirrors intact and firmly attached. Doors must latch properly. Tires, wheels, and visible brakes. They'll inspect what they can see from ground level. Anything loose, leaking, or broken gets flagged. They'll check the fifth wheel, greased, release handle locked, bolts present, no cracks. Air and electrical lines must be suspended, not rubbing or chafing. Then they walk the trailer. More tires, wheels, brakes, lights, and frame integrity. Let's get down to brass tacks. There are certain violations DOT officers see day in and day out. The gimmies from missed pre-trips. Topping the list, lighting violations. The most frequently cited defect group. A single inoperative brake light. Turn signal not working, a headlight out or dim. Tires are a big one. Failures can be catastrophic. Tread below legal limit. 4 30-seconds on steer tires and 2 30-seconds for drive and trailer tires. Audible air leaks, bulges, cuts, tread separation, mismatched tire sizes, they all get flagged. Brake issues carry heavy points. Cracked chambers, loose hardware, or air leaks. Cargo securement is huge. Not enough tie-downs, frayed straps, or shifted loads are violations. Ignore the basics and you invite violations. Do good pre-trips and you avoid most of these. Let's zoom in on the tires and wheels. They get a ton of attention during inspections. Nothing else matters if those round black things aren't up to snuff. Tread depth, 4 30-seconds for steer, 2 30-seconds for others. Don't eyeball it. Use a gauge. A cheap gauge in your pocket can save you a world of hurt. Inspect sidewalls for cuts, cracks, bulges, or tread separation. all immediate red flags. Regrooved tires and recaps on the steer axle are violations in many jurisdictions. Check rims for cracks, bends, elongated bolt holes, signs of loose lugs or failure. Look for missing or loose lug nuts, rust streaks, or shiny wear around bolt holes. Wipe the hubcap. If there's oil underneath, you likely have a leaking seal. Don't just look, touch. Thump tires, feel sidewalls, check inflation with a gauge. A few extra minutes in your pre-trip beats a doty stop on the highway any day. The goal of every roadside inspection is to drive away with a clean report. No red out-of-service sticker. Being put out of service costs time, money, and safety points for your company. The single most effective tool, a thorough, consistent, and honest pre-trip inspection. Not a coffee-in-hand quick walk, a methodical, systematic check. Check every light, headlights, high beams, flashers, and have someone step on the brakes. 360-degree walk-around to confirm bulbs and marker lights are working. Check tire pressure, tread depth, and for visible damage. Look for loose brake components or leaks. If it's leaking, fix it before you leave. Keep your cab immaculate and paperwork organized. It sets a professional tone and can shorten the inspection. When you can hand over medcard and logbook quickly, the officer sees professionalism. Be polite, professional, and cooperative. Don't argue. Ask clarifying questions if needed, then fix what's required. I've had the chance to talk with a lot of officers, including a retired trooper who spent 20 years in commercial enforcement. I asked him, "What's the one thing you wish every trucker knew?" He said, "I wish they knew we're not the enemy." Most of us have seen the after of a bad crash. We don't want to see it again. The goal is safety. He said the inspection starts the moment he sees the truck. Is it clean? Do lights work? How does the driver handle the vehicle? A professional-looking driver and tidy cab often mean a well-maintained rig. The opposite hints at more problems. Do your pre-trip like you mean it. Get on your knees and inspect the inner edge of steer tires. Check glad hands and lights. Look at light lenses for cracks or fading. Those are violations too. With ELDs, it's harder to cheat. Manage your hours and plan parking. Don't wait until you have 15 minutes left. The best drivers are planners. They know their route, their hours, and their truck inside and out. So there you have it. A look behind the curtain at the Level 2 inspection. It's not a ritual to trip you up. It's a systematic check of items that matter for road safety. It's a test of your paperwork, attention to detail, and the mechanical fitness of a massive vehicle. Be a professional, know your equipment, know the rules, and take responsibility. Make pre-trip inspection non-negotiable. Check tires, lights, lug nuts, and fluid leaks. Keep up with FMCSA rules. Study, train, and keep documents current. Take pride in your rig and your safety record. Mentor others and treat this as a craft. Stay prepared. Emergency kit, tools, and a maintenance mindset. Stay diligent. Keep safe, following distances, and respect the road. Other lives depend on it. You are responsible for the vehicle, the cargo, and every person you share the road with. Take that responsibility seriously. A clean inspection report is more than paper. It's proof you're a safe, responsible pro. Keep your cab clean, your paperwork organized, and make pre-trip checks routine. You're not just a driver. You're the backbone of the economy. Take pride, stay safe, and keep on trucking. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more trucker tips, and share with a fellow driver. Thanks for watching. Be prepared, be professional, and see you on the road. Subtitles: English. Voice: male, Northern English. Music: licensed stock acoustic bed. Production: follow the on-screen shot list for seamless editing.